Menu for the day, sinigangnabangus. Add a little amount of oil. Sauté the ginger for 2 minutes. Next the onion, sauté for 2 minutes. Tomato, dot cook until the taste extract. Add 1.5 liters of water. Add 2 tablespoons of salt. Add 1 chicken cube. Add 2 teaspoons of pepper. Add a little amount of magic syrup. Then add the sinigang mix. Wait until it boils. Then put the 1 kilo of Bangus. Add the radish, cook for 2 minutes. Then add the string beans and cook for 2 minutes. Green chili. Then add the eggplant, cook for 2 minutes.